Today I am going to show how can you print a black and white image on Nokia 5110 LCD display. Let's get started. Materials we need for our project: Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a Nokia display and some jump wires. I have placed the display on a breadboard like this. Sorry for that, you can see my Nokia display is of very poor quality. After connecting the jump wires, it looks like this. You can see it looks like a very complex wiring, but believe me, it's really easy. Now I explain the wiring system. The first pin of the display, which is reset, goes to digital pin 12 of the Arduino board. The second pin goes to digital pin 11. The third pin goes to digital pin 10. The fourth pin goes to digital pin 9. And the fifth pin goes to digital pin 8. The next pin is CC. We connected CC to the positive rail on the breadboard to the 3.3 volt output of the Arduino. This black wire for ground. We connected this wire to the negative rail of the breadboard to the Arduino ground. This blue wire we connected in negative rail of the breadboard to the analog pin A3 of Arduino Uno. And this black wire for backlight of display. This wire we connected in backlight to the pin 7 of the breadboard. If we unplugged it, you can see the backlight of display is off. So that's all our wiring system. For this project we have to complete some steps. Our first step is select a black and white image, any logo or any legend's image as you wish. You can download them from Google. I want to select a black and white Minions image. Okay, I select this and download it. But it is not in a proper shape for our display. Now open it in Paint. Go to the resize bar. Select it in pixel. Our pixel size is 84 by 48 because it is our LCD pixel size. Now we save it. After that we convert this image in a bitmap converter. Now choose the image which we recently edited and examine it. You can see we got a code for our image. Now copy it and paste it in any notepad. And save it. Now go to the Arduino software. You can find Arduino software download link and code link in my description box. So there are our whole code. We only modified in this section. Now go to the Save Notepad. We copy it again and paste it there. Our other printout code will be unchanged. Now we verify our code. Okay, you can see there are no error in our message bar. Now go to the tools bar and select the board which you use. I use there Arduino Uno. You can see there are lots of boards like Arduino Nano, Arduino ADK, etc. And also make sure that you select the port which you use. Now upload it our Arduino board. After uploading the code, your image should be shown in display like this.